All right, we are watching this tropical storm, which is expected to become a hurricane once again, Elsa in the Gulf of Mexico. And there are indications that this may be close to hurricane strength again. Lots of lightning near the center of this. Research shows in particular Katrina back in '05, just before it made landfall in South Florida, had a real bump in the lightning and electrical activity near the center. And you can see all these lightning strikes. This has been persistent for about the last hour and a half. So we may see a hurricane at the 8 p.m. Intermediate advisory or by the 11 p.m. tonight. And hurricane force winds are possible right around the St. Pete's area later tonight. We do have a tropical, I should say a tornado watch in effect for most of our area. A lot of dry air is filtered in though in the last couple of hours. And if this continues, it's going to be a pretty quiet evening along the coastline. There's some activity, though, to the south that could brush in along the lake later tonight. So the tornado watch continues for all areas except Indian River County until 11 o'clock tonight, and it could be extended a little farther north. There's a look at the storm. Really, really impressive on the satellite loop. The little center here trying to get form again. And look at all the lightning just the last few minutes. Cold cloud tops really pushing through, and all the higher mid-level clouds are streaming across our area, South Florida. The forecast track taking it to a Category 1 hurricane later tonight, very close to Tampa, and then up the East Coast on Thursday and Friday, eventually an issue for Maine and the Canadian Maritimes. Our probability to tropical storm force winds very high on the West Coast, less than 10% in our area, and that's been the way it has been through the weekend. There's the wind field for tropical storm force winds showing up in yellow, and notice a little core of hurricane force winds that are going to come very close to St. Pete's late tonight and before sunrise. So this is why we have a hurricane warning in effect for this area around Tampa and just to the north. Models here show off and on rain showers pushing through, tapering off overnight, and then returning tomorrow. A few downpours are possible. This model really doesn't bring a lot in the morning, but many do. So it could be a little bit of a tricky morning commute. 78 the overnight low. That tornado watch still in effect. Tomorrow 89 with scattered storms. And the 7-day forecast back into a more summer-like weather pattern starting on Thursday and into Saturday and Sunday.